Columbia thing. He was out in British Columbia fighting with people over salmon fishing there, and it was Norwegian companies developing salmon fishing on that coast. And believe it or not, he was in the news all the time in Norway, and nobody was paying attention, so I thought I'd have dealings with the people in Norway. Now there was a fella that was quite a firecracker who got sued a bunch of times and then booted out of the country by the conservatives. And he, even though he was from England, was in Norway. So I'm trying to explain to the fishermen locally, you should pay attention to Keith Ashfield, the Norwegians, and what I'm saying. Nobody much cared, but I did record it. You can find it on the internet. These people asking the questions and I answered, I don't know if they published the answer, but one thing they did is change the mandate to protect the fisheries industry from the Department of Environment over to the Department of Fisheries. They've gutted the scientists, the environmentalists, they call anybody concerned about the environment eco-terrorists. Well, to help the fishery industry, I would reverse it back, make the Department of Environment take care of the coastal waters, and let the Department of Fisheries police it like they originally did.